Another thing that we really like to do, whether we're shooting ourselves or whether we're shooting couples, is create some sort of movement. Rather than doing just a set in place pose, we like to have our couples or ourselves moving with the photo, because what it does is it really creates authentic smiles, because sometimes they're like funny movements that we will have them do and they will just burst into laughter, and that's when you get that real genuine photo that you're going to put on your wall.
So some of the ones that she has us do or has her couples do, they're kind of ridiculous. Like they look kind of ridiculous in real life, but in the photo it's totally fine and natural. Like we were doing the airplane earlier. Yeah, it looks good in a photo, trust us. We also have gold. Other ones like the drunk walk where you just slam into each other. And it's just fun. It makes it so much more fun for the couple, and we get better photos out of it, they get better photos out of it. So all around, win, win, win.